The profound shadow, the double-edged sword of inner exploration. In the exploration of profound qualities, we discover the dual nature of the shadow. Like the two sides of a coin, the profound shadow has both a positive facet and a lurking, unsettling darkness. On the positive side, the profound shadow serves as a wellspring for self-exploration, an avenue for bravely confronting emotions and thoughts buried deep within. It is a path towards self-discovery and an understanding of the complexity of human nature, unlocking the gateway to the depths of the soul. However, the darker side lies in the excessive pressures of survival. As life's challenges intensify, the profound shadow may grow darker. Excessive competition, anxiety, and relentless societal pressures seep into the core, forming a profound and heavy veil of darkness. This darkness doesn't stem from inherent individual nature, but rather from the unrelenting grind of external circumstances. In this darkness, individuals may lose themselves, lose confidence in life, and even succumb to a burdensome psychological weight. Hence, the profound shadow is both a source of inner exploration and a reflection of the dark depths when survival pressures become excessive. We need to examine and balance, finding inspiration and inner strength within the profound shadow.